First, pop the hood of your car, then look down your engine. There should be a handle that is generally coloured orange, yellow, or a different colour to your engine. Pull that directly up and out. At the bottom of this dipstick, there will be either two markings, lines, or like in this case, two dots. That's indicating your oil level. Clean off your dipstick and put it back down into the hole. Then straight away pull it back out. Now that your dipstick is clean, you'll get a good reading of the oil. In this case, it is sitting at a perfect level, 2/3 up the gauge. If it's under halfway towards the lower line, your oil needs topping up. If it's below the line, it desperately needs refilling. Here's a second example on a different vehicle. This one is slightly off to the side and is orange.